You're watching F5 at RSA 2022, and welcome to the Trade Show Game Show. Gimme 90 seconds. And we're fortunate to have our contestant, Sander Vinberg from F5 Labs. And like a great game show host, Sander, where you from and what do you do?
Marble Mount, Washington. I'm a security researcher.
Right on. And if you win today, you get the autographed Pasilva F5 squeeze ball. That'll be your thing. So today we're going to do the top 5 mind-blowing stats from the F5 Labs Application Protection Report. Let's put 90 seconds on the clock. So let's start the clock. Number 5.
Number 5 is malware has been growing like crazy. So in 2019, less than 7% of the data breaches had a malware element. In 2021, more than 30% of those breaches were malware related. And a lot of those breaches were ransomware, but not all of them. So I would urge people not to get fixated on the encryption element and focus on the malware strategy.
Great focus on strategy. What's number 4?
Speaking of ransomware, there are 3 specific adaptations that attackers have used that make ransomware much more dangerous than it used to be. The first one is that they're exfiltrating data from the environment before they encrypt anything. This gives them the advantage of being able to do a double ransom approach. So basically they say, every 24 hours you don't pay, we're going to post some of your data on the dark web. The second adaptation is that they are using very long dwell times, which gives them the time to disable security tools and compromise backups, which means backups are not the silver bullet against ransomware anymore. The third adaptation is the growth of ransomware as a service and the sort of affiliate model, and that makes it more likely that good ransomware is going to show up on your network.
Holy cow, double dipping and sneaking around. How about number 3?
Number 3 is that on the one hand, web exploits are becoming less common in data breaches, but a specific kind of web exploit, which we call formjacking, which basically what that means is like a mage cart style attack. Basically, all the web exploits we saw in 2021 that led to a breach were mage cart attacks.
Watch out for your shopping carts. Down to number 2.
Exfiltration is the single most consistent tactic we see in data breaches. So nearly 80% of the events that we looked at exfiltrated data from environments.
Sweet. We actually ran out of time, but that's okay. What's your number 1? Give us a little time here.
Number 1 is that access control misconfiguration in 2021 was 11 times as likely to lead to a data exposure as malicious activity. So make sure you check your cloud configuration.
Holy cow. I'm taking my glasses off for that one. That was awesome, Sander. So your top 5 mind-blowing stats from the F5 Labs Application Protection Report from the threat researcher who wrote it. Always good to see you, Sander.
Thanks a lot, Peter.
And you know what? You have won the F5 autographed squeeze ball.
What an honor.
Put it on your mantle, all your other awards on the back end, your trophies.
Exactly, yeah.
If you'd like to learn more about F5 Labs Application Protection Report, you can visit f5labs.com. Sander's got a talk today in the South Side, right? Your talk is about the Application Protection Report?
Yep. Room 208 in 208 South, I want to say, at 1:15 today.
Sweet. Thanks a lot. Did you have fun with this?
Absolutely. Thanks,
Right
Peter.
on. So, all right, for my good buddy Sander, we got Boo behind the lens. I'm Peter, and we're with F5. Thanks for watching. Thank you, studio audience.
Couldn't help myself.